We've just finished at Crail, drag and drift thrash. Best day ever. We went with the Subaru, so there was a whole series of mad cars out there. There was an S2000, Skyline, the S14. Track cars galore. Some rally prepped Subarus. Time attack prepped Subaru. We were out in this. And we were out in this. We were out in this too. We had some awesome ride-alongs with people. We went out with Stuart, Fit Like, Stuart, and Stephen. Big Dave got a ride-along in the S14.5, so it's an RB26 engine. This thing is a monster. Stuart very kindly took us out, even though he said he wasn't going to do ride-alongs. Check out his channel, link somewhere. We've also got a little miniature trailer with a glimpse of some of the bonkers driving that he was doing. Stuart runs SMT Motorsport up in Aberdeenshire, Turriff, somewhere up north. So he drives down in the van with a BMW on the trailer, so that he can drift for a day. So it's a longer drive than we have. We drive about 2 hours to get to Crail, but he says that Crail Raceway is a hidden gem because of the speeds that you can do. So this was so fast on the gear changes that I thought this was a sequential gearbox. There was also this magnificent thing that Stuart was doing that I didn't know you could actually do, but there was a bunch of times where I thought for certain he was going to smash into the back of the car that he was drifting along behind, but he did magic using like the foot brake and a clutch kick and the hydro handbrake, almost to make the car slide sideways, almost like it was going perfectly sideways. It felt like the whole car was being controlled to crab in well, the direction to avoid the impact. The big question is, how's the fuel economy?
I've used quarter a tank.
See, that's way better than a Subaru.
What's that?
Quarter of a tank.
Oh, wait until you get the RX-8 going, that'll be fucking terrible.
I know. It's coming. We're not going to lie, Stuart. You're going to have to change that before you go home. That won't last.
I got another 6, we'll be alright. hours. I like this. This is really,
Yeah,
this is,
that's the way.
I really like it.
He says that saves your ass so many times.
I also like the jack point. I think that's a brilliant idea. Is that what that is? Yeah, so you can lift the whole back up at the same time. Draw the jack under there. Boom, 2 wheels there. Fantastic idea.
Stephen took me on my first drift ride along. It was hot, it was scary and exciting at the same time. Jeez, I can't believe the speed. I just kept saying over and over again, like, the speed, I can't believe the speed. Because he was so confident entering into these corners at like 110 miles an hour, and then he'd just nip the handbrake and go for it. Shit, man! We've just bought a project drift car. We talked about it in a previous video, link somewhere. And we were trying to figure out what drift car we could get. So we've bought something without seeing it from a man, and we paid less than £500 for it. We'll do a video soon reviewing, you know, our first look at the car and what we plan to do with it. Fortunately, our new friends, they've just been doing a build on the same type of car. So they're going to be able to give us some help and some pointers for stuff that we'll need doing on the car. We're very excited. Me and Dave have now bought this car, and it's we're going around on Saturday to start the work. Step one, remove engine.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of garbage in the car. Like, it's filthy. Look at it. Oh, it's manky. It's a good job the interior's getting pulled out. So big shout out to all the guys who took us on ride-alongs and just generally welcomed us on the day. The community spirit that we heard drifting had, it was absolutely there on Sunday. Links in the description below for all the guys that we've mentioned. So if you want to see more of our builds, we've got playlists coming out the wazoo. We're going to have a drift build coming very, very soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit like if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more of this sort of stuff. And check out some of the other guys down below. Hit the buttons, go check out some of their stuff.